Hello, good evening. Good evening, Antu. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Antu. Good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you today, Antu? Happy today? Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes, it's nice to see you again. Wow. Are you ready for our new lesson for today?
Của em á. Jimmy không có, Jimmy đưa đây cho mày nói. Nhưng mà em đang học mà. Má không cho có học có coi. Tao tự
Có trong ba năm để mình mua hả?
nghe mà.
Nghe cái gì tắt tiền nghe cái gì?
Nghe
Tắt tiền mà.
chị mất.
Đèo nghèo. Tết cái đi cái có cái tật kiểu cái đây.
Okay. Okay, Antu, are you ready for our lesson for today? Are you ready?
Are you? Các em đã sẵn sàng cho bài học mới hôm nay chưa?
Mày ăn ra mày bên thử cái đó cái ngủ đấy. Không nhập lắm.
Hello, hello. Are you still there, Antu? Hello.
Hello.
Okay. It's good that you can hear teacher. So now let us start our lesson for today. So we are still in Unit 1, but for today we'll practice your language. So let's see if you still remember those things that we had learned last time. So let's take a look at this animal, Anju. What animal is this?
Đây là con vật gì?
What animal?
Học.
It's what animal? We call it as it's a chicken. Okay, what animal is this? Hello? Hello, Anju? Okay, so let's go back to this animal again, Anju. What animal is this? It's a
Xe.
chicken. Let's say one more time. Chicken.
Chicken.
Okay, nice job. One more time. It's a chicken.
It's a chicken.
Okay, nice job. So this is
Chicken.
chicken. Very good. So next, how about this? What animal is this, Antu? This is
Cat.
very good. It's okay. Let's say it's a cat.
It's a cat.
Okay, nice job. It's a cat. Next, how about this one? What animal is this?
Dog.
Dog. Very good. It's a dog.
It's a dog.
Okay, nice job.
Dog.
Dog. So next. Okay, how about this one? What animal is this? Tweet,
It-
tweet, tweet. It's a what animal? Bird. Okay, let's say it's a bird. It's a bird.
Bird.
Okay, very good. So it's a bird. So next.
Bird.
Okay, let's go back to this animal. What animal is it, Antu? It's... What animal is this? Wait, we call it as...
Horse.
Let's say horse. Horse. Let's say horse. It's a horse. It's a horse. Okay, let's say it's... One time, teacher cannot hear you. Let's say it's a horse. Let's say horse, horse, horse. Horse, horse.
Đi về bên nhà đi bật cái hoa ngồi bên học.
Like it's a horse. Okay, so this one is a horse. Okay, so next, let's go to this animal. What animal is this, Antu? Do you still remember this one? We call it as
Sheep. Sheep. Sheep.
sheep. Let's say sheep. Sheep. Let's say sheep.
Quạt bác để học ngồi bo
It's a sheep. It's a sheep. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Hello? Are you still there, Antu? My teacher cannot hear you. So let's say sheep. Sheep, sheep, sheep. It's a sheep. Okay, so let's say this is a sheep. So remember this animal, Antu. Okay, so when we see an animal that has a fluffy fur like this one, so we call them as a sheep. So its color white and its face is color black. So it's a sheep. So next, let's go to our next animal. Okay, what animal is this, Antu? This is a quack quack. What animal is that? Or that the animal that sounds like quack, quack quack. We call it as
Duck. Duck.
Đi đâu như là sáng cho mà có.
okay. Let's say it's a duck. It's a duck.
Bà bên đây rồi đó. Leo nha. Leo leo mà mắt bà đấy.
Okay, let's see. Duck, 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 duck. It's a duck. Okay, so when we see an animal that is color yellow, so like this, a duck is color
Sống à.
yellow.
Đi cô học đúng không? Về đây bắt học rồi chứ.
Okay, when we see an animal that is color yellow,
Lương
so
hoa
it
chiều.
is most
Chia tóc máu tóc cổ học mà.
it is mostly a duck. So let's say duck, duck, duck. It's a duck. Okay, let's go to our next animal. Okay, so let's take a look at this animal. This animal has a black and white color. So what animal is this, Antu? Do you still remember what animal is this? It's we call it as,
Cow. Cow. Cow.
okay, let's say cow. It's a
Thời gian
cow.
được chưa?
Cow. Okay, wow. Very good. So let's say it's a cow.
9 rưỡi đấy.
Cow.
Con 9, 21 phút, con 9 phút nữa.
Okay, so answer. So when we see an animal that is color black and white like this one, so it has black spots. So we call this animal as cow. So most cows, so they live in the farm. Oh, I can see you now. Hello, Antu. Okay, so let's now again, let's say this animal. What animal is this, Antu? It's okay, wow, very good. So nice job. So next, let's move on to this animal. What animal is this, Antu? It's a,
Fish. Fish. Fish.
let's say fish. Fish, fish, fish. Okay, let's say it's a fish.
Fish.
Okay, nice job. Let's say fish. 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 Sounds like S or sh, not fit. Let's say fish. Fish. It's a fish. Okay, so that is a fish. So next, let's move on to our next animal. What animal is this, Antu? This animal is color green. What animal? It's a,
Frog. Frog. Frog.
let's say frog. It's a frog.
It's a frog.
Okay, nice job. Frog. Next, okay, so when we see an animal that is color green, Antu, so like this. So this animal that looks like this and is color green, so we mostly call them frog. So this is a frog. So very good. So next, let's go to our next animal. Antu, what animal is this? We call it as
Mouse. Mouse. Mouse.
mouse. Let's say mouse. Mouse, mouse, mouse. So let's see. It's a mouse. It's a mouse. Okay, let's see. It's a
It's a
mouse.
mouse.
Okay, very good. So next,
Mouse.
let's go to this animal. Okay, what animal is this, Antu? Do you still remember what animal is this? So it looks like a sheep because it also has a white fur. But the difference is it has a horn. So this animal, we call it as
Goat. Goat. Goat.
okay, let's say goat. Goat. Let's say goat. One more time. Goat, goat, goat.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say it's a goat.
It's a goat.
Okay, nice job. So remember when we see a white animal, white colored animal, and it also has a horn, so it's not a sheep. We call it as a goat. Okay, so next. Okay, so let's have the animals here. So let's have this first animal. Let's look at this color orange animal. What animal is this, Anju? This color orange. What animal? It's a... What animal is this? Is it a chicken? Is it a mouse? Is it a bird? Cat? Horse? What animal is this? It's a goat.
Oh,
Okay, let's say it's a goat.
it's a cow.
Okay, nice job. How about this blue animal? So let's take a look at the words here. Is it a horse? Yes or no? Is it a horse, Anju? Yes or no? No, it's not a horse. It is what animal? It's a cow. Let's say cow, 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 cow.
Cow.
Very good. It's a cow. It's, let's say, it's a
A
cow.
cow.
Okay, very good. So next, let's move on to this next animal. This one, can you see this animal? What animal is this? It's color yellow. It's starts with letter F. Frog. What animal is that? Frog.
Clover.
It's a frog.
It's a frog.
Frog.
Mm.
Frog.
Hả đường học băng ngôn đập nhau nè.
It's a frog. So this is a frog. So next, let's move on to our next animal. This one. This color pink animal. What animal is this, Ansu? It's a mouse. Mouse. Say, mouse, mouse, mouse.
Meow.
Okay, nice job. Very good. You did a great job. So let's say it's a mouse.
It's a mouse.
Okay, very good. How about this one? This green colored animal. What animal is this? It sounds like meow, meow.
Cat.
Okay, very good. So let's say it's a cat.
Cat.
It's
A cat.
okay, very good. So next, let's move on to our next activity here. Okay, so now let's color this a picture. So can you color the picture? Can you draw? Try to draw, Ansu. So let's have this one. The dogs are brown. Let's color the dogs brown. So we have here a dog. Dog is brown. So let's color the dog.
Oh, wow.
Yes, color the dog brown. Brown, brown, brown. Where is the...
Wow.
Okay, this one, the dog is brown. Okay, can you draw? Next, let's take a look. Where is the fish? Or where are the fish?
Fish.
Where is the fish? Color the fish orange. Orange.
Orange.
Orange. This one, orange. Color the fish. Orange. Not blue, orange. Okay. Okay, so Antu, I think it's already our time. So we'll just continue this lesson next time, okay? So make sure, since I can see that you are still unfamiliar with the animals that we have. So make sure to review the animals, especially the cow, the goat, the sheep, and other animals, because I think you are just familiar with dog and cat. So make sure to review the name of the other animals. Okay. Okay, Antu. Okay. So thank you so much for your time today, Antu. So let me go to your brother, Dangwa. So goodbye. See you again soon. Is Dangwa studying today?
Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening, Dangwa. Wow, it's nice to see you again in this lesson. So how are you today?
I'm so happy.
Oh, you're so happy. Wow, that's good to know. And are you ready for our new lesson for today?
Yes.
Okay, so let's have our lesson for today, which is all about, we have here, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, let's read the lesson. What is our lesson all about?
Go animal goes.
Okay, very good. So our lesson is a story about Go Animals Go. So let's look at the picture, this picture. So what animals can you see in the picture, Dankwa?
Fish, cat,
Cat,
duck,
dog, and the other animals. What
dog,
other
pig,
dog?
pig,
Pig, very good. There is also pig. How about the other animals? So we have here pig, dog, cat,
duck,
duck. Very good. Duck. How about the other two animals that we have? It's this one. What is the name of this and this?
why you,
This one?
why you,
Oh, this one is starts with letter C. Let's go first with this animal. This. What animal is this black and white animal? Starts with letter C. It's a
drum,
let's see.
cow,
This one. Cow. Very good. This is a cow. Next, how about this one? Do you know what animal is this? Start with letter G.
beef, go, go,
Okay, very good. It's a goat. So this one is a goat and this one is a cow. So that is, we will learn about these animals in this lesson. But first, let's watch some warm-up video about this lesson. Okay, so can you see the video?
You clap.
No, I can't. No,
Can you
I
hear it?
can't. I can't clap.
Can you hear the sound?
Little bird, can you fly?
Yes, I can.
Can you hear the sound of the video?
animal song for children.
Okay, very good.
And yes, I can. I can fly.
Elephant, elephant, can you fly? No, I can't. No, I can't. I can't fly. Elephant, elephant, can you stomp? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I can stomp.
Okay, so that is for our animal. So we have, what animal is this, Dangwa? This one. Do you know what is the name of this animal? Starts with letter E. E.
Elephant. Elephant.
Okay, very good. It's an elephant. Next, this one.
I can
What animal is this?
Bird.
Bird. Very good. So it's a bird. So next, let's move on to our lesson. Let's go back to our lesson here. Okay. This one. Okay, so let's go to our first picture. So what is this, Dangwa?
Pie. Or
Bye.
pie
Very-
or bison.
Okay, very good. So let's say this is
Pie.
a bike. Okay, so next, how about this one?
This is a coat.
Boat. Okay, one more time. Let's say boat.
Boat.
Very good. This is a boat. Next.
This is a cow.
Okay, nice job. This is a car. Next. Here's the next. Okay, next. What letter can you see?
Let's go.
Go. Very good. This is go. This is go. Next.
This is a plane.
Very good. This is the plane or a plane. Next. Oh, do you know this one?
This is a party.
This is? Starts with letter R.
Betty.
Bedding? We call it as?
Roller.
Oh, actually, we can call it as skates.
Okay.
Yes. So these are skates.
Okay.
Yes. Do you know what a roller skate is? Do you know roller skate?
Yes.
Yes. So this is what we call roller skates, but we can just call it as skate. Skates.
Right.
Okay. Next, how about this one, Dangwa?
This is a
Starts with letter T.
listen.
T. Train. Train.
Train.
Okay, very good. So this is a train. Next. Okay, what do we call this?
This
What
is
are
a
they?
car.
Okay, very good. These are animals. Okay, instead of using this is, so we will say are. These are animals because we have many or so much animals here. That's why we will use are. So next, so let's talk about our story here. Okay, this one. Can you read the first slide?
Cows in is a car.
Okay, very good. So the cow is in a car. Let's take a look at the picture, Dankwa. What is the color of the car? What is the
Yellow.
color? Very good. It's color
It's a
yellow. Very good. So nice job. So now let's have our first question here. Where is the cow?
A cow is black. It's the right.
Very good. The cow is
Right.
driving
Car is car.
the car. Very good. So the cow is driving the car. Next. What is the cow doing in the car?
A car is the right.
Driving. Very good. The cow is driving. Okay, next. Is the car stopping? Why do you know?
Cow is fast. Is because is fast. 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 The cow is happy.
Yes, the cow is happy. Very good. But is the car stopping? Yes or no?
Xe có đang dừng lại không?
No. Say
No. No, because
no because cows is not stop driving.
very good. Because the cow is, what is the cow doing? The cow driving the car. Very good. So it's not stopping. So the car is
Moving.
moving. Very good because it is being driven by the cow. So next, let's move on to the next part. Okay, this one.
The pig is on a pie.
Okay, very good. What animal is this, Tangkwa?
Pig.
Okay, very good. It's a pig. And what is the pig driving or riding?
Bike.
Bike. Very good. So now let's answer the question. How does the pig feel? Is the pig happy, sad, or angry?
Pig is happy.
Okay, very good. The pig is happy. And why? Why is the pig happy?
A pig driving a pie fast.
Very good. So the pig is happy because
Driving the pie is fast.
very good. So it's driving the bike fast. So next, this one. Do you think that the pig can ride a bike? Yes or no? Let me translate this one.
No.
No. Yes. Very good. Why?
Is because is a pig is a four.
Because
Four
pig,
legs. Four legs. Legs is not not driving not driving car.
very good. Because the pig cannot
Uh,
ride
ride a pie
in real life.
in real life.
Yes, because pigs are animals. Pig is an animal, so it cannot ride a bike. So only people can ride a bike in real life. How about you, Dankwa? Do you know how to ride a bike? Do you know how to ride a bike?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, do you have a bike? Do you
Yes.
have a bike? What color is your bike?
Yellow.
Very good. It's color yellow. Wow, that's a very good. Okay, so next, let's move on to our next page. This one.
Rose in is a box.
Okay, let's read this one. Let's say is in. The goat is in.
Is in a boat.
Okay, nice job. So what animal is this, Nangkwa? What animal?
Goat.
Very good. It's a goat. And what is the goat riding?
The ghost is driving a boat.
Very good. Very good. The goat is driving a boat. Wow, nice job. Next, okay, let's answer again this question. What is the goat doing, Dankwa?
The ghost is driving a boat.
Very good. Wow, good job. You can finally make sentences of your own. Very good. So next. So I think the goat is catching a fish for food. Do you agree? Yes or no, and why?
Tôi nghĩ con dê đang bắt cá để ăn. Bạn có đồng ý không? Tại sao?
No.
No.
Is
Because
because it goes. It is drying. Both is
both.
is
Not
fast and happy,
where it's happy. It's happy. And it's not.
and it's not catching fish. A fish.
Okay, very good. So good job. Next, let's go to our next page.
The dog is on train.
Okay,
Train.
very good. Let's take a look at this animal. What animal is this?
Dog.
It's okay, very it's a dog. And what is the dog driving?
Dog driving. It's a train.
Okay, very good. The dog is driving a train. Okay. So next, is the dog a train driver? Yes or no?
Con chó này có phải là người lái tàu không?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, very good. Yes.
Yes.
And why
Yes.
why? Because
Because the dog is one people.
it's one people, yes. And
One people driving a train.
very good. The dog is driving the train. So next. Okay, so my friend says that this train is for people. Is that correct?
Bạn tôi nói rằng chuyến tàu này dành cho người đi làm, có đúng vậy không?
Yes or no?
No.
No, it's not for people.
No. Because. Yes.
It-
Yes.
Yes, okay, yes. Yes, it's
Yes. It's for people.
we're right.
Is a train. Is correct.
Yes, very good. It's correct. So, when we say have you already gone to ride a train? Did you experience riding a train before?
For
Okay, this one. Train before.
Bạn đã từng đi tàu hỏa bao giờ chưa?
Did you already experience riding a train before? Yes or no?
Bạn đã từng đi tàu hỏa bao giờ chưa?
yes.
Yes, okay. So very good. So when riding the train, what can you see inside? Are there a lot of people?
Khi đi tàu, bạn có thể nhìn thấy gì bên trong? Có nhiều người không?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. So therefore, so trains are for people. But however, so we most or some animals, they can also ride a train. But they need a people or they need people like us to guide them to ride a train. So basically, train is for people. Okay? Mhm. Okay. Next. So, what are the differences between a train for people and for goods? Do you know?
Tàu chở người và tàu chở hàng có những điểm khác biệt nào?
Is train for people. Is driving people.
Yes. Train for people is driving for people. How about for goods?
And
Train
train for goods. As
are for
for a good.
things. Yes, very good.
It's not a driving job. It's a people.
Very good. Nice job. Nice idea. So can you read this one? Train
Train for people is for people. Train for goods as for goods or thing.
Okay, very good. So that is the difference between train for people and for goods, because we have a term which is passenger. This one, passenger train. So when we say passenger train, it is a train for people. However, we also have a train or goods train. So this is a train for things, not people. So that is the difference between two. Okay. So next, let's have another sentence.
The bus is on schedule.
Okay, very good. So let's read this word again. Let's say bird.
Uh,
This one is skates.
Okay.
Very good. So when we say bird, okay, what animal is this? Dangwang.
Bird.
Very good. This is a bird. And what is this? What is the bird wearing? Is it a shoes?
Skate.
Very good. It's skates. Let's say skates. Skates.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Skates. So let's have question here. What is the bird doing?
Bus is on schedule.
Very good. Wow, nice job. The bird is skating. Next, if if the bird cannot skate, how will it go to another place? If a bird cannot skate, how will it go to another place? So let's have this one.
Birds.
Nếu con chim không thể trượt băng, nó sẽ bay đến nơi khác bằng cách nào?
What is the bird doing? The
Not
bird
is because it's a bird and fly and will
Very good. So if the bird cannot skate, so the bird can
fly.
fly. Very good. Because birds have wings. So this one. So it helps them to fly. So very good. So next. So skating and flying. Which one is faster?
Skating is fast and it's skating is happy.
Skating is happy. Yes. Which one is faster? Skating or flying?
Trượt băng và bay, cái nào nhanh hơn?
Fly.
Flying, very good. Flying. Flying. Let's see. Flying is
Flying is faster skating.
very good. So let's say this word again. Let's say faster.
Faster.
Okay, so you are correct. So flying is faster than skating, because when birds fly, so they can fly to a far place. But for skating, so you can only skate to nearest place. So it is also faster, but flying is more faster. You can go to another place easily, unlike skating. So you need to skate on a road. Okay, so flying is faster. So next, let's read the next sentence.
Chưa sống. Chưa sống.
The dog.
Is in a plane.
Okay, very good. So what animal is this, Tangkwa?
The dog is in a plane.
Very good. The duck is in a plane. So let's answer some questions here. Look at the picture. What is the duck job? Or what is the job of the duck?
Dog job is driving plane.
Very good. The duck is driving the plane. Very good. So nice job. Next. I think it is better that the duck flies by its wings. Do you agree? Can ducks fly?
Fly at the duck fly is a plane. It's not a
Yes.
fly, it's a wing.
Oh, very good. So ducks cannot fly by
Wing.
its wings. Very good. So in this picture,
It is picture duck is driving the plane.
okay, very good. So very good. So in real life, so ducks, most ducks they cannot fly using its wings, unlike the bird. So they can easily use their wings. However, some ducks are very heavy, so they cannot use their wings to fly. So next, since we are talking about birds and duck, so among the bird and duck, which one flies better? Is it the bird or the duck?
Một con chim và một con vịt, con nào bay giỏi hơn?
Bird.
Bird, very good. So the bird can,
Bird can fly better. It's
very good.
because duck is a swim better.
Yes, very good. Wow, because ducks can swim better. Wow, nice idea. That's very good. So ducks mostly swim, rather than flying. So good job. So birds are the one who flies better. Wow, very good, Dangwa. So I think you already have a knowledge about ducks and birds. So next, let's go to this next sentence.
The cat is on a house.
Okay, very good. So what animals can you see in these pictures?
Is the cat is on a house.
Very good. Cat and horse. So the animals are cat and horse. So now let's have the first question. What is the cat doing?
Cat is on a house. Horse.
The cat is
Riding a horse.
very good. They're riding a horse. Very good. Next. I think the cat will fall off the horse and get hurt. Do you agree? Is it a yes or a no?
Tôi nghĩ con mèo sẽ ngã khỏi ngựa và bị thương. Bạn có đồng ý không?
Yes.
Yes. And why?
Because horse is a horse is a fast.
Very good. The horse, he is fast. And the cat might,
Fast fell.
very good, fell. Very good. Wow. The cat might fell. So good job. So next, a cat and a horse. Which runs faster?
Horse.
Okay, very good. So the horse can
And
run
run fast.
than the,
And the cat
okay,
the cat is a small.
very good. The cat is small because the cat is small and the horse is bigger than the cat. So therefore, the horse can run faster than the cat. Wow, very good. You did a great job. Next, let's go to our next sentence here. Can you read this one?
Go animals go.
Okay, perfect. Go, animals, go. So we have here, do you think that all animals are in a game? Yes or no?
Yes.
Bạn có nghĩ
Yes. And why?
Because it's a um, 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 animal is not driving.
Yes. And do you think that they are in a game?
Bạn có nghĩ rằng tất cả các loài động vật đều đang tham gia một trò chơi không?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, because what are they doing? They are having a race
Yes. Yes.
game. Very good. So now let's take a look at the next question. can you guess where do the animals go since they are playing a race game? What is their goal?
Bạn có đoán được các con vật đi về đâu không?
Animal is driving. Go
The animals drive
go to home.
to go to or to go home. The animals drives to go home. Very good. Nice job. Nice idea. So the animal drives to go home. Very good. So next, let's have, okay, so I think it's already our time, Dangkwa. So I think so we will just continue this lesson on Wednesday, okay? So make sure to review all of the words, this one in the picture that we had learned this time, okay? So I will ask some question for you on our next class. So for this one, you did a great job, Dankwa, because I can see that you are getting better and better, especially when you are creating your own sentences, when you are answering teacher's question. So you did a great job. So thank you very much, Dankwa, for your time. So good night and goodbye. See you again.
See you again
Goodbye.
in the Tuesday.
Thank you.